Welcome guys, it's your mentor here, Shaquel Samaai, and I'm the mentor at TFE, the Forex ELITMENT, also the author of the TFE Precision Concepts. And right in this video guys, I'm going to be going over the best Forex or best price action signal that really helps you to understand when a massive move will occur in the market. I will be using this crosshair here, to help me to navigate through this lesson for you guys. Before we begin guys, I need you guys to have a notebook down and write down as I'm going through it, because this is a very powerful lesson, and this is part of my 31-day free program that's happening in my free Forex community. If you guys do want to join, click the link in the description and join my free community right now. On the other end, before we begin guys, I need you guys to like this video so that it can get out to more people that likes these type of content or actually wants to get educated like yourself. On the other end guys, if you guys looking for VIP signals on the trades I'm taking, high quality trades, I keep my name on this, then there's a link in the description that you guys can do. Also other end, do subscribe guys. Let's move on. One thing I want you guys to keep in mind that the precision box concept, it's authored by the TFE, which is by me, Shaquel Samaai, and it's used for trading liquidity pushes or impulsive movements. Basically, we want to use this, or we use this for a big move to spot up a massive move in the market like such. You can see how this market just goes down from here crazy by cleared order. So we want to use this, or we use this to spot possible massive moves in the market. So that's where we're going to come in. So we're looking for equal highs, right here. We're looking for equal highs and lows for another driver of liquidity. And this is what we call a precision box. Okay, guys. The precision box is called precision because the concept is so precise. One thing about this is you can really comment down below after you go study it on the chart. You're going to see that this is very accurate. It's 100% accurate. I can literally say it's 100% accurate because of the preciseness of this. Maybe not the precise of catching the trade right, that you might make some small mistakes that can lead you to hitting a stop loss. But overall, this move, once the market clears this, right, you will see the market create some sort of impulsive move in one direction. So one thing I can say it's 100% on or precise on is able to spot when a big move happens before it actually happens. On the other end, it is occurring after the candle close inside a high and low of the previous candle, right? And we wait for candles to break and close out the precision box, or also known as the PB, TFE PB, as you can see right here, TFE PB. And this is what we call a cleared order. Once it clears out, we call it a clear order. Once it clears out the box, it's called a cleared order because it has grabbed all the orders and it's clearing itself right now. Now, on the beginning, let's start with the genesis of the TFE PB. How does it begin? Where does it start? To give you guys a little story back in from my years of experience, I'm trading for 5 years, going for 6 years, and I'm 24 years old. With that being said, guys, I'm showing you right here that this is the beginning of the TFE PB, right? It's basically where the first candle comes, creates a high and low, and the second candle tends to close inside the high, right? The high of the candle. You see here the high of the candle, the previous candle, and also the low of the previous candle. So it literally closes inside here, right, guys? And that is something we want to watch out for. The market does that. So for me on my end, what I'm doing is I spot that and I box it off from the high and low, and I wait for the next candle. So you can see right here where it says TFE Precision Box, that here we have a couple more candles. So once that has happened, the candle is closes inside the high and the low, right? You see the rest of the candle starts ranging in the market here. Now, what happens at this point on the second part, which is TFE Precision Box, right? It's where now the market is accumulating orders. The market is going to create a lot of false breakouts, which you can see with the wicks right here, right? There's some wicks. Market tends to have these wicks. So what I do is, I'm going to show you something right here, okay? Give me a moment. So you'll see right here, what happens is market tends to create these levels, okay? It tends to create these levels where it goes out, comes back in, runs all the way down, exciting a lot of people, runs out of that. Remember, this is the precision, it starts here, it started here, okay? That's where it starts. So you can see it after it has created that high and low on this candle, all these candles will tend to go out, back in, out, back in, out, back in. So why is it doing that? It's grabbing all the orders right here, faking out. So you see the person gets excited and see the market going up, 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 up. There's someone going to get very excited. Just think about this. Let's take a moment. Imagine you see a massive candle going up on top here. Okay, a massive candle going up. We make this maybe whatever you want to make it. Let's make this candle, I don't know, we're going to keep it red. Okay, let's just take that for a moment. That you can see here at this point here, when the market does this, right, what do you think happens? A lot of traders gets excited. Okay, someone do it. Let me show you. Market goes up, boom, 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 boom. A lot of traders gets excited, and that drives more orders in. And after once that is done, what happens? What do you think happens after that? Okay, once that is done, you tend to see the market then, what I call, come back into you know, right back into the, like from the top, boom, right back in, and tends to leave a little wick behind where it was. So that there is what we call the orders on top right there. So it goes out, fakes a lot of people, collects orders, drops right back in. And that is what's driving it. It's the mechanism, behind this. It's a mechanic behind collecting more orders before actually the market does its major moves. Whether it's going to buy or sell, I'm not saying here we're buying or selling. I'm using this to help me understand before a big move happens. How do I get to know, hey guys, here's going to be a massive move? Is that I spotted the TFE PB, the TFE Precision Box. I spotted the TFE PB. And that, I box it off and I wait. So once I spotted this here now, I wait for the market to show me clear direction, whether it's buying or selling. Okay, that's very important. And you can see on this end right here, I call it cleared order or cleared orders. Once the market has, what do you call it? Market has cleared its orders, right? Over here, you can see that. Once the market has cleared its orders, boom, 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 it'll basically close a few candles outside the range. And you see, here's the range. Boom. There at the bottom is the range. There you can see candles going all in one direction. That there is market clearing the order. And that's the direction you want to continue going in. Okay? Now, of course, it can continue going all the way up, clearing orders on the top end. And that is the direction you're going to go with that in. Okay, guys? So it's very straightforward. However, you should not take this lightly, because once you take this lightly, you're gonna not find it easy to actually catch these moves. This here is a very important foundation to my strategy. And there's a lot more that I would like to share with you guys. But before I continue, I need you just to like this video, share it with someone. If you really find this useful right now and you're really enjoying it, or you've been educated, I want you to just take a moment right now, click that share button and share it to 1 or 2 people that really needs help in trading, or you want to help in trading, or needs the help or anything like that, or just wants to help or wants to learn how to trade. And then let's get this concept to more people that needs the help. I want to help more traders. I'm going to move over to the chart right now. And on the chart, I'm going to show you guys the exact philosophy. Okay. I'm going to show you guys the exact philosophy I'm talking about. So here we go. Okay, guys. Now, the time frame this works on is on all time frames. I preferably love to use it on the 1 minute time frame. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about for a moment right here. Okay, guys. And I do love to use this in a time frame before the New York session or after the New York session is open. So very, very important lesson for you guys right there. I would recommend you guys to maybe write that down if you would like. And here we begin. Just have a moment right now, guys. Okay, just look at this right here. As you can see here, we have the high of a candle. Take note, you have a high of a candle right here. And then also we have the low of a candle right here. So this market closed here in the low and the high. And that is the beginning of a precision box, right? You can see the next candle inside, plays inside. See the next candle close above there. It doesn't close, it comes back in there. You see that? That is the precision there, right? And then after that, you'll see what happens is market will show you its direction. Here we go. Here you go. You can see it's clear a precision box. Once this happens, what I tend to do is I use a box here, which is found on the left-hand side. I call it the rectangle, or it is the rectangle. And my name for this is simple precision box. So I box it from the high and low of the average of candles, right? You can see that is the average of candles right now. And I wait for market to clearly break out this range. You see, simply look how it's ranging. And there we go. That's the clear out. So you can see, even if I put it here, even if I put it here, you can see that candle still closed out. And this year is starting ahead of time. Market's going to be selling lower. You know, look at that. This is the power. That's the power. This year is what we call the TFE Precision Box, TFE PB, and this is from the TFE Precision Concepts, guys. Okay, very powerful. I want you just to look at it, take it in, and think to yourself, would you like to know more about this? Is this something you want to know more about? And if you do feel like that, don't worry. I am here. I am here. You know, I want to share a lot more with you guys. Let's take a moment. You guys ready? You're ready, right? Let me take a moment for you guys, show you what I'm talking about. Let's begin. So here we have a candle, and nothing yet. We're patiently waiting. Here we go. There's it. This is a cleared, because you see, remember, none of it actually had inside the box, inside the range. You know, it didn't. Here we had a high and low. I'm gonna just take the high and low with the box, with the precision box like that. Okay. So I don't have to. There's high and low. That is not closing, so this is not the precision box. It's not closing, so this is not the precision box. It didn't close in it high, neither did it close this one in the high, no. So we're patiently waiting. But if you look nicely and watch this, here's a high, here's a low, right? Let's look at this high and low right here. And then market still, it's still invalid. Here's a high and low, so I know when is it a full precision box. Here we go. Look at that. So you see the candle, what happened here? There's the high, there's the low. But look at this candle here. That's the high, that's the low. can you see that the market, this candle here, actually closed directly? If I don't know if you can see it, I'm going to go over it again one more time for you guys, okay? Look at it, okay? Here's the high, there's the low. This candle closed inside that high and that low. Here's it, and that is the precision box. So you see why I've drawn there and that area. I'll show you guys a moment right now. There, from that, there, and that bottom down. And now we're waiting for a clear break. You patiently wait. No, that's a rejection. No, you're waiting. Right? Still, if you look at it now you're like, okay, now you use your wisdom. Okay, this is where wisdom comes. You can look at that there. It's actually lined up perfectly. Look at this here. It's actually lining perfectly. So this is a whole range actually, eh? And you're patiently waiting. You're waiting. If it clears this area, it must clear to the full break. You're not taking any trades, But here we go. Look now. After this precision box, what happens? You'll see a massive move eventually occurs from that move. Eventually, a massive move happens. And that is exactly what I want to teach you guys. This is exactly what I'm trying to get across to you guys. I do believe that this is very valuable. So I want you guys to like this video, subscribe, and also on the other end, click the link in my description if you wanted VIP signals. I do share very quality signals. I send the setup, the analysis basically with the trade. And if you don't know how to take a trade, it's fine. My client support helps you to take a trade. We help you set up your trading account. We help you take your first trades. Very helpful. On the other end, a lot of my traders are actually passing, prop firms, getting payouts, making money, income with my signals. And the great thing about the signals is I give updates as the trade goes, and I will help you with your risk management. I'll tell you what lot size to use. If you just message me and ask me, hey, of course, want to join the VIP signals, what lot size can I use with my prop firm or my personal account, and then assist you so you use proper risk management as well. Let's do a few more examples for you guys. This is gonna be a last example. Okay, I'm waiting to see a clear candle close inside. Okay, now already from my wisdom, right, I do see that this is a precision box. Even though I'm not seeing the candle yet, I'm looking for the candle. There's no candle yet, but I'm gonna wait to see if there's a candle. And here is the candle. It looks like it just missed it. Nope. So you just have to patiently wait till you see something, unless there's nothing and the market just tends to take out. I see this one had nothing, which is quite good. So there was no precision there. The market drops down. Quite interesting, eh? So that's very important to look for. Still nothing. Yeah, it's all about waiting to see. Wow, look at that big move. When you actually get that precision, goes there we go. It looks like here we go. Here you see market can possibly range from here. Possibly, it all depends what happens from here. Okay, market broke out, test. It's not really range over here. Still playing. It seems like it's in another range down towards it. Very interesting. And here's another one right here. So let's see how this goes from here. There should be another move off this to the highs. Yeah, that was very nice though. Very easy. Quite, and nothing, not always going to have the best ones, but if you look closely, there's quite a few. There's even one right over here right now. And again, it takes a lot of wisdom. You're going to have to gain that wisdom, guys. And then eventually market will find its way out. You see? Last one. Thank you. It's humanity, Shaquel, Samaai, the author of TFE Precision Concept. I send my love to you guys. Peace, love, and happiness. Thank you once again for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. join the 31-day free program. The link's in my description to join the free group. Join the VIP signals. Let me help you make money while you're learning. Very transparent about it. And also another interest. Love you guys.